Okay, today we're talking about how insulin is synthesized in your cells because, yeah. My biology teacher is making me make a video about insulin, and if I have to suffer through this, so do you. So, you're welcome. This is a thing that's happening now. My knees are gonna get real uncomfortable. Oh well. Ow! That shows up okay. Great. So, we're in the nucleus of one of the beta cells in your pancreas. It's chromosome 11. Somewhere along, like, here-ish, that's where the insulin gene is found. That then gets transcribed to mRNA and leaves the nucleus through one of these pore thingies. So this mRNA here gets translated by a ribosome and gets turned into a polypeptide called preproinsulin, which basically means before insulin. You'd think scientists would get better at naming stuff, but no, they have to be boring. So insulin kind of goes through like 3 stages. We got the preproinsulin here, and that's where we are right now. And this is the insulin over here, and this is where we want to be. But we gotta go through a bunch of other... We gotta go through some other stuff to get from here to there. You can't really see the different colors all that well, but there's a little peptide sequence up here, and this little sequence right here is what allows this string of proteins to get into the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So once the preproinsulin manages to get itself into the rough endoplasmic reticulum, this signal peptide chain right here gets removed. And now we have proinsulin. And then it gets folded up into this paperclip looking shape here, and some disulfide bridges form, like that sort of a thing. This is proinsulin. This is where we are right now. And we've got these nice little disulfide bridges happening here. There are sort of 3 parts to this thing. There's the A peptide and the B peptide and the C peptide, which is just like a puzzle. There are 3 pieces. It's not a very difficult puzzle. Except we don't actually need this piece, the C piece, so that needs to go. So from the rough endoplasmic reticulum, the proinsulin ends up here. This is the Golgi body, or golgi, or however the heck you pronounce it. I don't know. I don't know these things. Specifically the cis side, which implies the existence of a trans side. Nice. We've still got this unwanted C peptide chain here. We don't need it. So what happens is we get some endopeptase enzymes. That's what they're called, right? Endopeptidases. We get some enzymes that come and they chop this bit right off. Then we're just left with the functional A and B peptides, which is functional insulin. And now we're here. This is insulin in its final form. This stuff gets packaged into secretory vesicles and does the exocytosis thing to get out into the bloodstream. And that's how insulin is synthesized. You're welcome. My knees hurt, and I'm covered in chalk dust. I hope you were well educated, at least.